The ALPILEAN hack for Alpine is causing a stir across the internet, with numerous customers proclaiming its extraordinary outcomes. However, is it genuinely effective, or is it simply hearsay on the web? In truth, I believe that what propelled the notoriety of the Alpine ice hack was the fact that its consumers began sharing their results, as though the supplement had some kind of enchantment or sorcery. In reality, it is simply science. A group of researchers discovered during their studies that our body's internal temperature is the reason for stubborn fat accumulation in almost starvation-like conditions. This temperature refers not to how we perceive the weather on our skin, but to how we are inside our bodies, in our core. The internal body temperature has a significant impact on our metabolic response and how our bodies react after we eat. A lower inner body temperature can slow down our metabolism and result in fat accumulation. This is where ALPILEAN comes in. It efficiently targets the low inner body temperature, increases our metabolism, and burns fat rapidly. Now here's something essential to remember about this supplement. Unfortunately, I have seen ALPILEAN being offered on marketplaces such as Amazon or eBay. But here's my warning. The official supplement is only available for purchase on the manufacturer's official website. To save you time and keep you secure, I am including the link to the official site in the description of this video. So, if you decide to purchase it, simply click on the link. Only there can you get a 100% money-back guarantee for 60 days, as well as a great price for purchasing additional bottles for your treatment. Additionally, you can rest easy knowing that you are purchasing the original and natural ALPILEAN, not a potential counterfeit. The authentic ALPILEAN is produced in a GMP-certified and FDA-registered facility in the United States, ensuring the highest levels of purity, potency, and safety. Thus, you see, there is no magic or fallacy. It is simply traditional science. The alkaline supplement is intended to be consumed every night before bed with a cup of water and ice, the so-called ice hack, which takes less than a minute. Therefore, do not miss a day. And remember that our sensation is a natural supplement with a unique blend of natural components to provide you with the best user experience with no negative effects. That is why you must understand that results will not appear within weeks. You will not lose 60 pounds in 2 weeks. However, if you adhere to the treatment correctly, you will witness a transformation in your body and confidence. According to the creators of ALPILEAN, the best results occur after 3 to 6 months of use, with a success rate of up to 97% approval. I am confident that you will regain your self-assurance and self-esteem after losing the first few pounds using ALPILEAN. Therefore, if you decide to purchase this supplement and test if the ALPILEAN hack genuinely works, return here so that we can cheer each other on in the comments, okay? That's all, folks. I hope this review has been helpful. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for the best price and security. I hope to see you all again soon. Bye.